Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Minecraft Pumpkin Ghast. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Pumpkin Ghast, we're going to begin right up here. So I want to begin by making a square shape. So we want to start by drawing a line that's going to come down. Then we want to make a line that comes across. And we'll make another line that comes down. Then we're going to make a line that comes right across here to connect it. Now, starting here, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down. Then we'll come straight down like this. And we'll just draw a line back here to connect it. Now, starting here, we're going to make the kind of little tentacles that hang down. So we'll start right here, and I'll draw a line that's going to curve down. And we'll make another one that's going to curve down. We'll draw a line across. We'll make a little line that goes up. And we'll make a line that comes back here. I'll draw another one here. It's going to come down. We'll make one here. And a line that comes across. Then we'll make a line that goes up. And it's going to connect here. Right here we'll make a line that comes down. And another one that's going to come down right to about there. Bring the line across, and then we'll draw a little line right down there. Starting here, we'll make a line that comes down. We'll go over and then up. And we'll make another line that goes over and up here. Now, starting up here, we're going to make a little line that's just going to go up. It's going to go over and down. And then we want to make the face. So starting here, let's draw a line that comes down, and we'll make another one that comes down here. Draw a line across to connect it. And we'll make a line that comes in a little bit on each side. Then we'll draw a line that goes up, over, and down. Do the same thing here. We'll make a line that's just going to go down, another line that comes down here. We'll go in a little bit at the top and make a little kind of rectangle shape. Then we'll make a line that comes across here. Now they have a really big open mouth. So I want to start by drawing a line that's going to come down on each side here. We'll draw a line that comes across, and another line that comes across. Then we'll make a line right across inside of there. Then they also have some stuff kind of dripping down from their eyes. So I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down and over. We'll go down and over again, and up. Do the same thing here. We'll go down and over, and then up. Line that goes over and down, and one more here. We'll go over and then down. And right here I'm going to draw a little line that comes down here, and a little line here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Pumpkin Ghast. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.